The snow does not rush, the wind does not arrive uninvited. Blizzards begin when the silence allows.
I walked in a field where the snow forgot to fall, where the sky held its breath, and the storm remembered its name. The cold was not my enemy, the frost was not my cage. It was the echo of a choice I hadn't made.
In every crystal, a tempest sleeps. In every line, a story keeps. Not every battle is meant to be won, but every blizzard must be faced head-on. I do not break, I become the wind that shapes the ice. I do not run, I become the snow that writes the sky.
I walk in a field inside the blast of love, with like hoping's flag, in storm remember its name. The cold is not my enemy, the frost was not my chains, and the free echo of the shouts that I made.
In every crystal, a tempest is sweet.
So every luster,
Every line, a stored in chains.
not every lie,
Not every battle is meant to be mine.
not every grazzle,
Every prison must be faced head-on. And every crystal, my tempest sleeps.
consume every crystal,
Every line, my story keeps.
know every lie,
Not every Bible is made to be won.
and every grazzle,
Every prison must be faced head-on.
not every breaks and I steal in. But to the break, I become the wine that shakes the heights. I am the boy, I become the soul that raised the sky. I am the boy, I become the soul that raised the sky. I never place it, I feel it. I never place this song to myself at last. The top is to sing on an obvious notch. His was life and not even and tiny neck is so within.
But go to dance with the cloud now. From what you take is not supreme at the splash. Just more absorb, you cannot begin. By scrolling like a skunk within.
I feel my fate, sun has broke you down to re, and then this all prepares to fall. There is one note here recall. I haven't waited till we're the end. I'm to the break, why did